Bishop Mwesu Gwahire yo kwaburoku izoba rya nyuma y'abazi bwabira ryo mu rutaya yorwe ahirware ryambara regional referral ubwo gizirengo kwataje barwire n'ikintu kikuru buri muntu ayine kutamwa amani
bakwateje turukumanya bakwateje tashorora don't be blind spiritually have foresight to see far. There are many types of blindnesses.
Pero twashobirwe cyo gukora abo kwa twashumayo abantu kona babashemererwe mwe n'ababarya bitanda abantu baburuko bari muke bakaguruka bonka twantureba tubashemererwe twatandikira naha aba hypertension twashaba no twashuma twazuku bonka abantu bashemererwa
ahubwo kamari amara ahubwo
izoba niryo rumwe hona Bishop Sheldon atireho abaronde mikono Bishop Sheldon hona nabwo ashabira abashaho kutamana mu kushomesa abantu uko bakubasa kwerinda ndwara kandi yashaba na government okutasento mu college
muze kushomesa abantu. The other day we went, I have a lot of statistics even on my phone. There is this me again. The other day there is a place where we went and bashobori umuntu bakirire high blood pressure bakashanga ine bagambere nimbaza kujya mu ndebe ya bishop ni twato the team
bibiri ishatu ahiguru igana ishatu ahansi.
So they measured someone who had come to pray with the bishop, excited. Ankole Devirumbi naimba, ankole Deviruji naimba. Umutwazire kushaba na bishop wetu kaisha akora kashoche. Hazwaraje. Atamuru kwanza. Baza kumupima pressure. Bibiri ni shatu ahansi 103.
Mukuru w'irwa rero Dr. Deus Twesje ashabire Bishop ko batera ya Karimi kushaba government kuzirwa rero rikazahidara area National Referral Hospital.
And with the government support, the hospital continues to excel with now over 60 specialized and super specialized services.
Umuntu washemerwa munonga ukumwakira ukuza kutubura ikigambo cya Ruhanga kandi icyo atumbeka umutima yitu kandi cyahindura abantu bingi umutwareze na munonga Biburi netugira ngo nkaba bunabire ndwire biza bandeba bampumuriza kandi banshabira mbene rizo Bishop nicyo yakora umirwaro ritu
Mbara Regional Referral Hospital hatene herezo buhereza abantu bari kuhika miliyoni 5 n'emitwaro nkaga. Abashaho bari kukorera byedina hirware ryambara bashabirwa kuhebwa buyambo burumo kubaho umwanya wo gukombeka waho kuremeza gashakwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.
Our dear director, together with your administration, to allocate us a place within the hospital where we can build a chapel so that staff, patients and their carers can always go for prayers.